guys, today we're opening this new collection of the Epic Evolution figure.
Wow, there's so many. Wow, look at the closer view. Some of them we already opened, right?
Yep, these 6 we opened.
Okay, let's do and know the name one by one, okay? So first we are opening Triceratops Epic Evolution. Look, the figure. So nice. I think we need to cut the string. We have set the scissor. Be careful with the scissor. Wow, look at this. Gray color, gray and white Triceratops. Does it make any sound, Ryan?
No, but it has just 2 axes. This is one axis and this is the other.
Wow, these are the cool actions.
And here's the code.
With the code also, guys, if you need it, please scan. This is the new Triceratops. Wow, nice. So the next one should be
Equinotosaurus.
what? Can you please tell the name again?
Equinotosaurus.
Allosaurus.
No.
So let's open this dino. Okay?
Yeah. I did not see it yet.
Wow. This is the newest in the collection, right?
Yeah.
Oh, with the tail.
It's so tiny.
You have to attach the tail.
Yeah.
Okay, let me help you.
Look at the tiny arm.
So, here is the
Dinosaur.
dinosaur.
Equinotosaurus.
Look like it is similar to Carnotaurus, right?
Yep.
That's tiny horns. Wow, it also makes some sound. Wow, it's pretty cool.
It starts like the old correction war, but it ends like a new correction war.
Yes. And it has this kind of the rolling thing on the top, right? Pretty cool. With the code.
Oh, it's right here.
The code is right here. You can scan it, guys. Wow. The next one is Neo-Venator. Look like does not have sound too, right?
Yep.
But the figures are quite good quality. I like the material of the dinosaur.
Yeah, look at its mouth.
Look at his mouth. It is like bluish gray color, right?
And look at this.
Oh wow, that's a hidden spike. I didn't know that there is spike also.
Yep. And here's the code.
The code is right here. Yeah, we scan the code if you need.
That is what I want to Equinoto.
Okay.
Oh. I forgot to show you this code.
No, I think you did it.
Oh.
We did it. Wow. So far we opened 3 dinosaurs.
Yep. Here's the 4th one.
Yeah. Which one are the-
Dinosaurs.
Wow. This look like the crocodile mimic.
The crocodile mimic was super minus.
Okay. This is the Gryposuchus.
It's so hard,
Oh,
but
you
I
need
will
that?
just do it.
Yeah, guys, we are using safety scissors. Always be careful while opening. Always do it in the adult supervision.
Look,
Oh wow.
the body.
Look at the body. And we need to attach the tail. Wow. What is the special feature about it, you know?
Look.
Wow. So we attach the tail to this.
Yep.
What's the name?
Gryposuchus.
Wow. It's so like it's not too high. It's so kind of the low, but kind of cool.
This is my favorite dino in this size.
You can see his face Its mouth is quite long.
It ate on fish.
Yeah, a lot of teeth you can see, right?
And it also had webbed feet.
Yeah, and it makes sound. Where's the cord?
Here.
Here's the cord. When we just, I think, cord is not. Oh, it's clear now. And we just open the mouth and make sound when we just press the button. Can you do it one more time?
Yep. No, it does not have buttons.
Oh, that's the kind of holding.
Chomp.
Chomp. Wow. Who's next in the collection? Who's next in the collection?
Allosaurus.
Wow. This is the biggest one in the collection, I think.
Yep. It also has this feature.
Oh, wow. This is cool, right?
Yep.
In this series, they have made, they put a lot of new features, right?
Yep. It also has this board
Spikes,
thing.
rolling things. Wow. You wanna tell more about Allosaurus?
This one has a blue tongue.
Oh, the tongue is blue.
Navy blue.
Very good. And
Its code is the hardest to get.
oh, it's hidden
Because
here.
it's on its feet.
Wow, here's the code, guys. If you want it, you can scan it from here. Wow. So far, which one is your favorite?
I like the apple.
Your Allosaurus the most.
Yep.
Okay. So here's the dinosaurs. The next one is
It's Poposaurus.
Poposaurus. It's a funny name, Poposaurus, right?
Yep.
Yeah. Can you see the figure? It's quite tiny, right?
Yep.
Can you tell about more Poposaurus?
Nope.
Okay.
Look
Which
at-
period it was in?
I don't know because this is one dinosaur I did not know until it was released.
Okay. We're gonna figure out.
Here's the code.
Here's the code. Yeah. It is look like any other dinosaur.
It looks like Baccospinax. I mean, Baccospinax.
Wow. Cool. Here are the dinosaurs. And this side also some more. The next one is
It's Triceratops.
Triceratops.
Yep.
Oh, look like the horns dinosaur.
Yep.
Similar to the Triceratops.
It's right there.
Yeah.
I could count how
How
much
many?
horn.
Yeah. I don't know what to say that.
4.
4 horns.
1 here, 2 here, and 3 and 4 right here.
Yeah. I'm sure it is a herbivore.
Yep.
Yeah.
And here's the code.
Here we go. Yeah. Let's scan it. Cool. Nice.
Now we have 3 left. Here's 1.
Okay. Which one is this one?
Ribosaurus.
Grybosaurus?
Ribosaurus.
Okay.
Ribosaurus.
Yeah, it also has some spike on his head.
Yep.
Is a carny?
Yeah.
The carnivore.
And here's the code.
This dinosaur look like to any other dinosaur?
Nope.
No, okay. Wait, code is not coming here like this. Oh, now it is.
It's the weirdest dino in my opinion.
Why?
It has these spikes that are weird, and in my encyclopedia it had no spikes.
Okay. The next one.
Stegosaurus.
Oh, this is cute.
And it came with Eoraptor.
Oh, there are 2 dinosaurs come in one set?
Yep.
Wow. The one is
Stegosaurus.
Stegosaurus.
I say Stegosaurus.
Stegosaurus, okay. And the other one is
Eoraptor.
with the red head. Eoraptor, right?
It looks like Grybosaurus.
Yeah. Wow, here's a code. And the other one. Okay. So, do you want, these are all?
Yep.
Do you want to tell the name one more time?
Yeah.
Okay.
Triceratops,
Mm-hmm.
Neovenator,
Wow.
Grybosaurus, Grybosaurus,
Yeah.
Eoraptor,
Cool.
Equisinatosaurus,
Aquisina, okay.
Allosaurus,
Wow.
Poposaurus,
Wait a second. Okay, this is Pomegranate.
Triceratops,
Mm-hmm.
and Stegosaurus.
Cool. Hope you guys like this video. Please like and subscribe our channel for the
Bye,
more
guys.
epic evolution dinosaurs.
Bye, guys.
Thumbs up. Thank you.